Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get back archived posts on Instagram. Now let me archive this picture. I'm going to click three little dots in the top right and I'm going to click archive. Now after I click archive, as you can see here, the picture disappeared from my Instagram account. Now if you want to get it back, all you have to do guys is click three little lines in the top right, and after that you want to click on your activity. Now, after you click on your activity, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on archived, as you can see here, where it says view and manage content you have archived. You want to click on archived. Now, after you click on archived, in the top it will say there posts archive or stories archive or live archive. Now make sure you click in the top. You want to click on stories archive and then select posts archive. Now here is the picture that we have archived a few seconds ago. Now if you want to get it back, all you have to do is click three little dots in the top right and then click show on profile. As you can see at the very bottom it says here show on profile. Now if we go back to our Instagram account, we can find the picture that we have archived a few seconds ago. So that's exactly how you can archive the Instagram posts. How to get back archived posts on Instagram. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments.